Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create data validation tools with Excel. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Excel and create a new workbook. Identify the data range where you want to apply data. Select the cells that will contain the data validation. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on the Data Validation button in the Data Tools group. In the Data Validation dialog box, choose the Settings tab. From the Allow drop-down menu, select the type of validation you need. For example, choose whole number if you want to restrict entries to whole numbers. Specify the criteria for your data validation in the fields provided. You can set conditions like between, greater than, or equal to. Next, click on the Input Message tab if you want to display a message. Check the box for Show Input Messages when cell is selected. Enter a title and specific message to guide users on what to enter. Now, navigate to the Error Alert tab to customize the warning that will appear if the data entry is invalid. Choose the style of the alert, stop, warning, or information. Fill in the title and error message that will be displayed during an invalid. Click OK to apply the data validation settings. Test your validation by entering data into the validated cells. If you enter invalid data, the error alert should appear. Make sure to adjust your criteria or messages based on your needs. You can also copy and paste the validated cells to other areas if needed. Explore advanced options for creating lists, dates, or custom validations as your skills improve. Save your workbook to keep your data validation settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.